Got this big old Cub Cadet 1250, and it does not have any rear tires. It does have a mower deck though. But the guy told me that he believes the motor is blown up, and he parked it and he took the tires off and put those on another tractor that he bought. So whether the engine runs or not, I have no idea. Can't tell what that says. Have to look at that a little bit closer. Oh, here's the bolts for the tires. But anyway, that'll be interesting to try to figure out what's going on. And I got a bunch of paver stones that the guy threw in also. And here's the side panels for that. Here's a box of parts that he gave me. I don't remember what all he said was in there. I'll look through that and find out. But anyway, there's a nice big, I believe he said this is a 42-inch deck or 50 or something. Can't remember. It says it's supposed to have fairly new blades on it. That front tire is seeing better days. But anyway, I'll get this stuff unloaded. That's going to be fun since there's no tires. And I don't have any tires to put on it, so I'm going to find some. But anyway, let me get things unloaded and we'll see what we got. Let's take a look and see what all is in here. Got it all taped up for some reason. We got a set of mower blades. Here's some wheels for the deck. A couple more wheels. There's a center wheel for the deck. We got a starter. It turns, so it might be good, I'm not sure. We've got, I believe that's a bearing for the deck blades mount. Spindle bearing, that's what I'm thinking. Here's a rusty pulley. There's another pulley that's not so rusty. Oh, we got two pulleys on a bearing. I bet you that goes on the front of the deck, and then pulleys come off of this, go into the spindles. Here's another one of these caps. I guess it turned it down. There. Another one of these caps. Two of them. Oh, here's another one. Here is something that has to do with the deck. There's a cap. Here's a base. So that means that goes in there. That goes on there. That kind of fits. I think it's got some rust that's stopping it. Here's a big washer that goes on there. Here's obviously the nut. Here's another nut for that one. Cooler. It's a rectifier, I believe. And here's more parts for the deck. Probably a lift bracket thingy. Here's another one of these pins. 2 of them. Yeah, what's this here? Oh, this here's the base for this one. So this one's missing the bearing thing, and it's missing these 2 parts. Got the nut, and that's all that's in there. Alright, well, I was wrong. Earlier I said I didn't have any tires for this. Actually, I've got these old trailer tires. I think they came off of a boat trailer if I remember right. Anyway, they are 5 lug. The tractor takes a 5 lug. The bolt pattern are the same. So, I'm going to see if I can get these to at least bolt on there long enough to roll the thing off of the trailer. Hopefully they will clear the fenders. But first I got to get it jacked up in the air far enough to see if I can get them fit first. So let's see what happens. Alright. Let's see if we're getting close. We're getting there. Oh, that should roll off the tractor or trailer now. Well, except for maybe that front tire, it's probably messed up. Alright, let's see if I can get this to roll off of here. Well, let's do some work on this thing. Since this has a battery in it, I got my charger hooked on and it's getting a charge. See if maybe it's still good. The guy had a trickle charger plug in for the thing, so I don't have that, so I'll end up taking that off if I need to. Don't want that hitting the wires. There, that'll work. Let's see. The guy told me that the motor's blown, but you know how the way people are, it could be something simple and it just quit working and they think it's blown. So, I guess first thing I'll check the oil in it. That's clean and it's full. That's a good sign. I don't know what was making that noise. Sounds like there's a mouse in there running around. Wouldn't surprise me then. I guess we'll try cranking it over and see what it sounds like. As soon as I get the thing set up here. Oh, let's see. I have to push the brake pedal in. The brakes don't work at all. Let's see. Throttle will go down, choke will come out. See what happens. Well, that is spinning very fast. Almost like there's no compression to it at all. Let me pull the spark plug out and I'll stick a screwdriver down in there and see if the piston even moves. Spark plug's nice and dry. There's me a long screwdriver. I don't know if I'll be able to reach it because I think I have to go at an angle. This is one of those Kohler flathead motors. I believe straight down is going to be the valves. Stupid thing. Has to be at an angle. Let me find a real skinny screwdriver if I got one. Maybe a nice pick. It's not going to work either. Well, turn this by hand and at least watch the, see if a valve moves. Well, that valve is moving. However, if you hear that noise, where's it at? Right there. I have a feeling the connecting rod has broke. And that's the case, I'm going to have to at least take the head off so I can see if the piston's moving, because I cannot see anything from this direction. So that means all of this is going to have to come off. Alright, well, let me gather up some tools and start taking her apart.